Can we download older version of apps on iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can download old version of apps on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is let's head over to our App Store. After we're on our App Store, you can simply search for any apps that you want. So first, let's test this for our pre-installed apps. I mean the apps that we have already installed. So let's open up our CapCut and there we'll check since this is already downloaded. You can here browse through here to check if you can actually see an option to download the older version. So let's check that out. Here you can see the CapCut is already installed. Now if you scroll down, you'll see the what's new section where you can see the versions that there were before the current version. So here you can see there is an option to actually see what improvements, what updates that we get, and we can just tap on this more option to expand on more specific or descriptions, but there is no option to actually download any of these versions. So we can head back from the version history and scroll down. There we will get preview, not what we want, and there you'll see CapCut's description and the company ByteDance. So even from here, there is no option to download the app's older version. So there you can see that there you can scroll down, you will see now more similar apps, but no option to actually download the older version. And yet, I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I hope this answers your question, guys, that we cannot download older version of apps on iPhone. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.